Once again, welcome to your learning channel. That's my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. There are many videos for you to learn. So to learn, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Today, we will learn about the bar graphs through this video. So let's see about the bar graph. A bar graph, also called bar chart, is a graphical display of data using bars of different heights. Imagine you just did a survey of your friend to find which kind of movie they liked best. So this is a survey which we have done, and we can show that on a bar graph like this. So this is a bar graph of a favorite type of movie. It is really a good way to show relative sizes. We can see which types of movie are most liked and which are least liked at a glance. We can use bar graphs to show the relative sizes of many things, such as what type of car people have, how many customers a shop has on different days, and so on. Now one example. Nicest fruit. A survey of 145 people asked them which is the nicest fruit. So we get the result like this. Apple 35, orange 30, banana 10, kiwi fruit 25, blueberry 40, and grapes 5. That group of people think blueberries are the nicest. So this is a bar graph which show the nicest fruit. Bar graphs can also be horizontal like this. The same survey of a nicest fruit, and the horizontal bar graph is like this. Another example, students' grade. In a recent test, this many students got these grades. So the grades are A, B, C, and D. The students are 4 which got A grade, 12 with B grade, 10 with C grade, and 2 with D grade. And here is the bar graph. Now what's the difference between histograms versus bar graph? Let's see. Bar graphs are good when your data is in categories such as comedy, drama, etc. But when you have continuous data such as a person's height, then use a histogram. It is best to leave gaps between the bars of a bar graph so it doesn't look like a histogram. So we can see these are the gaps which are between the bars. So this is a bar graph, and there is no gap between the bars, so this is known as histogram. So this was all about the bar graphs. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.